to what I'm about to say.
Guys. Yo. Yo, what is my beautiful people? Well, look, Stell has released the music video for a room, bro. I mean, like, bro, I seen a lot of y'all commenting saying it's a mixture of Bruno Mars and Michael Jackson, his voice is. But I'm wondering to myself, like, bro, you guys are talking facts, because it is so beautiful to listen to this man's music, bro. It's my first time, though, reacting to his music, and I'm really impressed of what I've heard and what I've seen thus far. But regardless of that, bro, he has given us the music video, and I'm excited to react to this one, right? I've seen a lot of y'all commenting saying his voice is really heavenly, which is practically so, because I was astonished by his voice, bro. His voice literally moved my soul with this amazing lyric video. So here I am today. I'm gonna react to the music video. I've seen a comment saying that he should release the music video, and he actually does. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well this music video really is, because you guys should know that some people do music video and it doesn't really match up with the song. So I want to see this music video literally a 10 out of 10 for me. So let's dive in. Peace. Guys, look, I'm a big fan of his music now, right? And I really feel inspired by his music, bro. This guy, his music video literally a great storytelling type of thing, bro. Trust me. Look, I love this, right? It is way on the storytelling line thus far. So let's proceed. He's now entered into a room, which the music video and this lyric video is also telling about. So greatly so far. No offense to the Bruno Mars fans who are watching this video, but I think he had a similar look like how Bruno Mars would have looked when he was much younger, guys. To be honest, he's giving that type of vibe, bro.
Clear the stage, everyone!
This is a wonderful music video thus far, so you guys should know. You guys should know.
Anong mic?
He's now taking the stage, the stands to use a mic. Oh my god! Bro, look. His voice is more clearer. His personality is more nicer, bro. it's better to see a music video than an actual lyric video, which we could understand because the lyric video is something that is representing or talking about the song that is in a caption type of vibe, right? So the music video literally have more life, more meaning to it, bro. And to see that he's expressing himself with a female, it's something exquisite, meaningful, and also astonishing, bro. Look, the clothes that he's wearing, bro, it's dope. It's really something to be like you can wear, you can put on, bro. And I do like all these people dress, bro. Right? They are really good. And their voices, bro, it's freaking amazing. To my girlfriend, bro. I'll do that because this song is perfectly written, right? With the people who are representing this music video, the females are very gorgeous, and it's perfect for the females to be in that room with this guy because he's not a guy who's bad looking. Oh my god, bro, everyone is astonished of this man's voice. No one was expecting him to sing like that, bro. Everyone was expecting him to be like, oh yes, a regular guy, but this is an abnormal guy. His voice is really freaking cool, bro. Guys, look. This is very beautiful. If you guys do enjoy this reaction, look. He's killed it. He's killed it. Right? He has killed it. Subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon. Right? Leave a like. Share this to a friend telling him or about the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Buka. Buka.